We came here really early. There's nobody, well, almost nobody. Koichi, Koichi-san. So right now there's nothing to do, but it's kind of cool. Ohayo. Ohayo.
New machine ですよ。
Oh, wait, look at the seats. Look. Oh, that is a nice seat. That is a nice seat. Comfortable. See, that's how you do it. That's the shoes
No.
versus the shoes.
Shoes.
Awesome. The wide body on the 32 always gets me. Ohayo. I'm gonna try and get the lay of the land. First time here, so let me see. I think they're doing a car show component to it as well. They may be using this whole track just for the car show part of it. What's up?
おじさんちゃんただの。
今何歳？
これが
3歳。They got some really cool shit today. So this must be the most oddly located bathroom I've seen so far. So this is the middle of the track. Today we're gonna be using it as a show car location, but still, look. So this is a track. On a different day, if you wanna go to the bathroom, you might die. This place really doesn't feel like a track. It feels more like a workshop, or like somebody's yard to work on cars and, you know, maybe sell them and whatnot. And then they're like, you know, I got a lot of extra space. What am I gonna do with it? Might as well slap a track on it. Look. It's nice, and it's not too big, so I don't feel like I have to waste time walking back and forth all the time. That's a different outfit. Okay, now that I assume that no more show cars are gonna show up, let's go and see the lineup. Oh, it turns out that was not the only muscle actually. There is one more. The Hellcat wasn't the only one. Now, if I ever were to have a muscle car, it would be the GT500. や僕も乗りたいけど太すぎるキャラできない。
確かに
ねえ、そうパケットはちょっと
壊れちゃうかもしれない。
うるさい。
背が高くなった。
Is she hugging a freaking plushie? See?
I have awoken from death.
Oh wow. The main question would be, do these animals come with a car, with a gentleman, or do you actually just carry them around because?
So this actually is mine. This is his. This is like a Don Quixote pillow pet because I take a lot of naps because I'm always tired.
The beauty sleep, you know?
Yeah, so I figure, you know, just... And so the cat has a friend.
The cat is a friend.
Yeah.
You need help. 楽しかった。すごいな。
いやまあ。
じゃあいつもドリフトやってくるわ。
うん。でも自分で。
やったことない。
本当に？嘘。
やったことないかも。ないでしょそれ。
ないけよ。楽しいよ。
車でやったことない。怖い。
やってよ。え、なんで？
なんでそれはやったことない。
どうだった first time？
めちゃめちゃ楽しかったです。
超エンジョイしてた。
本当にでしょ？You may or may not have done it, but if you do it, it's fun as shit. でしょ？Told you.
すごかった。
So Stacy found out that those are like 10 centimeters or something, so she wants to try it on.
We have the same size foot, and I want to see how tall I am. Ew.
So she's where I'm at. I'm 185. She's where I'm at. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. Wait. Now, I should try them all. Huh? Can you walk them? Oh, she can walk them. She can walk them. Let's go. He's really good or really insane. Looking at us. It was a fun event, by the way. Ryo-san is the guy that put everything together today. It was awesome. 本当に楽しかったよ. But for now we're done. Thank you very much everybody, and thank you for watching. This is Italian Japan, aka Lucio of RPM Generation. I'll see you in the next video. Bye! ありがとうね。Looking at her.
Hey.